You may be wondering what's in this box. Well, I am too. Just kidding, I know what's in the box, but I'm gonna show it to you. Well, it's actually a new product that was sent to us because they want us to carry it in the store, so we have to check it out before we approve it or say, nah, we're not gonna carry this. It's a vertical garden from GreenStalk Gardens. You may have seen these on my Cultivate video because I did a little interview with him on that video, but they sent me one to test out, so we're gonna put this thing together. They actually let me pick out the color. I chose the stone color because I feel like I could blend this color in with anywhere I decide to put this. Comes with 5 tiers, a spinner base, a lid. Let's see what else is in here. That's the spinner base. Oh boy. Ah. Ah. Old man noises. I love when companies decide to do this because it's so different when you're ordering something on Amazon or from a magazine or catalog and you can't actually get your hands on it and feel, is this thin plastic? Is it flimsy? Is it sturdy? This is made in the USA and it feels pretty sturdy so far. I don't know what these are, but I'll find out. I also don't know what these are. I have an idea. Ooh, they gave me stuff. Oh, that's pretty. I like how on his business card, he calls himself the inventor's son-in-law. Are you the inventor?
No, I'm the son-in-law.
You're the son-in-law?
Yeah.
He said that at the show too.
We're the GreenStalk vertical planters. My name's Tom.
Don't be shy.
I'm the inventor's son-in-law. But these are super cool. It's first of all an American-made product.
Oh, and a card with my name on it. I'm not showing you the inside. That's personal. Seed houses. Man, this is like a whole system. Now, should I read instructions or should I just go for it? I'm just gonna go for it. I know this is a base. Oh yeah. Oh, wheels too. That's really nice. I'll put the wheels on later. That should be easy. This seems like the bottom. Very much looks like a bottom part. Then I'm guessing that goes in there. Nope. Okay. That seems to fit. What is this for? Oh, maybe this goes on top. And that's where you put the water. No! Oh, I see. Yes. How much you want to bet that I'm gonna have to take this apart because I'm forgetting to add something in that I'm supposed to add in? I would bet a large amount of money. That is the case.
Instructions.
Hey, I'm going no instructions, all right? Well, this is already getting tall. So I'm guessing this will go in the top once we get there. Still don't know what these are for. Maybe I'll look at that parts list. 5 tier, 3 trellises, I saw those. Spinner base, yes. Garden lid, I saw that. 6 seed houses, I saw those. These are not on the list. What are you? What are you? I wonder if those go under each tier. Told you I was gonna have to take this apart. Ah, that's gotta be it. People are screaming at me. Read the instructions. I wonder if that's part of the watering system. That very much looks like part of a watering system. Oh, that does fit. This is looking great. All right, I'm gonna read instructions. I bet I got it right this time though. Oh. You're supposed to fill it with soil first. Step 1, fill the top with soil. I'll do that later. Step 2, start planting. Wow. Step 3, connect the gray discs. I did get that part right. They do go right there. Step 4, stack your planters. Not like that, like this. I see. Step 5, water. Okay, well, we did this all wrong. Now, this is cool, how your watering system works. So that's the top reservoir. Doesn't go there. This is a terrible video. Cool. Anyway, it's self-watering, cool reservoir system. You pour water in the top, and then the water goes all the way down, evenly distributes all the way throughout the tower. Pretty awesome. Okay, so once the top goes, this goes over that. Lid goes on top. That'll be up there. Plants. So once you have soil in here, say you want to direct sow into here, it looks like these just clip on like so. And then it creates a little mini greenhouse for your seeds inside of there to keep that humidity high. That's pretty cool. And then these are the trellises, plant supports. Stick that down in the soil. Now your plants are supported instead of flopping down here. So that's pretty nice too if you're growing larger stuff. They have all kinds of accessories. Am I gonna set it up here or at my house? Because I definitely don't want to move it after there's soil in it. So I'm gonna find a spot for it, fill it with soil, and we'll show you what it's like. Okay, before I fill this with soil, I'm super curious how this watering system works. So I put 3 of the 5 tiers together. You can make them as tall or as short as you want. But they say you put water up here, and then there's tornado marks and rain coming down, but it's supposed to be evenly distributed once you fill this up. So before there's even any soil in here, I want to put some water in there and just see what happens. Okay, it's definitely raining, but I still don't know what the tornado in the center does. But I know it's important. Oh, it's draining down the center right now. There's a whirlpool. Can you see this? See that whirlpool? That's pretty cool. You just water the top and every layer gets saturated on the way down. That's what that's for. You can select where the excess water goes by using this tube. So if you do have excess water that hits this spinner, it'll come out there. Look at it go.